Everyone wants to get into AI, but most people start at the wrong place. If you start AI without data fundamental, you will quit in 3 months. But in this video, I will show you the real AI roadmap in 2026, and I will explain why data analytics is the smartest, smartest starting point. Welcome to my channel, SkillNeuron. Now data analysis is the full roadmap. First of all, we'll start from introduction. What is data analysis? A type of analysis, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive. And then after concept of data collection, cleaning, exploration, visualization, and machine learning. Basic machine learning. Required. Building a strong foundation. For example, the square sum, mean, max, average, count. This kind of we use in Excel as well. Then we move forward. Excel most important for table and making chart in SQL. SQL we use with one and different libraries and art programming language and data manipulation language, data visualization like Matplotlib and use it. Then move forward, mastering data handling, data null values, mock the data null, and different kinds of data specific required. Data analyst goal. Data collection, data cleaning. In data collection, we come up a different types data groups, file, plan. In data cleaning, with different techniques, handling missing data, removing, finding out data transformation, using different libraries. Using in Python, if you use under, in order to use this. And moving forward, next topic, descriptive analysis, with flagging, data analysis technique for then data visualization, we use Tableau, Power BI, and Python libraries such as Matplotlib, Cuban, ggplot, and chatting data, bar chart, line chart, scatter plot, wall chart, and with Sopra, expertise, math and wall chart. Learn different techniques, objective testing, correlation, regression, and some uh, basic machine learning reinforcement concept was not in depth, but we know the concept very well. In learning basic model regulation technique, decision and what these are the lead and getting a solution. But do and more big data concept. Big data technologies are also required for mock my technique, data processing technique, CNN, RNN, natural network, and neural networks are required from the basic. Deep learning are optional, but you can learn. We with and build a project network, build a portfolio project. Some of the example are predictive and formed system vision. Yeah, we use shrink table competition. Use this workmap as well. See, I will put in this different. Um, if you want to learn AI the right way, start data. On the next video, I will teach data analysis skill step by step with real project and real framework guidance. Subscribe to SkillNeuron and let's build into neuron form.